So it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and about an hour ago I get a phone call off this guy. So I was riding home a couple of days ago, and I noticed just before I pulled up that there was this white van following me. I was like, oh, what have I done? Anyway, he pulls up behind me, looking really excited, pointing at my bike. He's like, yeah. What? He's like, your bike is awesome. This is the chopper, the headache maker, and he really loves it. And it turns out he builds hot rods, and says there's a meet every so often at a local pub around here, and he's chatting to me. Anyway, we sort of make friends, and now I have a welder, free of charge. What the majesty is this? So it says it needs a strap, but he reckons it is the be all and end all of welders, and it was absolutely free. Weighs a bit. And some of it's in Italian? I don't know. But it was free, and it's exactly what I wanted. So, just plugged it in, and I'm gonna give it a go. Turn the power on. Oh, turn the power on. Silly crab ends. Right. Let's see if it makes a noise. The light's on. That's a good sign. Alright. I think we have a winner, lads. So, it makes a noise, it hums, I press the trigger and it goes meh. It needs some cable, we haven't got any of that, so we have to find some. And by the looks of it, a new guide cut thing, I don't know what it's called, it's been a while since I did the welding course. So it's Wednesday, I ordered this thing on Sunday, I think. Was it Sunday? Anyway, it's supposed to come on Friday, but it didn't, it came today. It's my new whiteboard! And we are going to be putting it on the wall there, so we can keep track of all the crazy shit we're doing, and possibly not forget where we're at. Because right now, this is our level of organisation. We've got carbs off a GSX 600F. We've got the dead battery from it too. Actually, relatively organised, considering how bad we've been before. Because of you, yeah, because of you. We've got miscellaneous junk on the tumble dryer we don't use. We've got a box full of bits, new and old. Tools down there. Right here we've got two bikes I'm working on currently. We've got the XS11 that I'm going to be chopping, bobbing, doing something interesting with. And we've got this wreck of a katana here. Been down the road and smashed into a van and been sat for 10 years outside in the rain. So, project's a go-go. Got the workout bench there because it's lockdown, you can't get fat. And yeah, nice big organisational space. This thing is huge. But over here in Crabhand's kitchen we don't do things by halves. Which way up is it? I think they're the same. Tray thing for pens, and it comes with screws and stuff. Awesome. Fuck. Pens. Do it again. Just a little lifter. That'll do, pig. That'll do. 1, go. Big reveal. Ta-da! Oh my god. Whoa, it's a whiteboard. It's so big. Yeah, that's pretty nice, isn't it? Got a welder. It's neatly tucked away there until we get the welding done. Lovely. Tiny girlfriend. Large cardboard. I mean, look at that. Look at that for perspective. She's quite small. Bye-bye. So I'm going to be trying to put out videos every Wednesday and Saturday. Like twice a week, basically. Vlog updates on projects and junk like that. If you like what I do, or you find me irritating and you just want to laugh at me, I don't really care either way. Just like and subscribe. It's, you know, it's a bit of fun for everybody. I'm going to be continuing with the XS build. Summer's going to be continuing with the GS build. She's going to be making a cafe racer out of that. So that's going to be interesting. I'm going to be making a beastie bobber type chop thing. Bit of a abomination. Yeah, if you want to see more, like and subscribe. Peace!